What are personal financial responsibilities? Financial responsibility means having a lifestyle that meets the social standards within means, regardless of the level of income. To succeed in personal finances, newbie earners needs to have a close look at the financial situations, evaluate earning, and make adjustments in the spending habits to match it. As financial responsibility had a big impact on the future, it is important to expertise on personal financial literacy from an early stage of earnings. Key points of personal financial responsibilities. The management of personal finances effectively to meet the financial needs of individuals and family. Meeting the standard of lifestyle irrespective of economic, cultural, social, and technologies. Able to support yourself and family financially for at least 6 months irrespective of zero income and adverse circumstance. Having an organized plan for saving and spending money. Making the right decisions early in life to become financially independent and having a comfortable retirement life. Understanding the 4 basic components of finance, like income, expenses, assets, and debt. Having a good understanding of the difference between a good and bad debt. To get expertise in the subject of personal finance, one need to understand personal financial planning concepts and applications. Application of personal finance includes cash in and outflow, net worth and asset, income taxes, insurance, and consumer debt. A financially responsible person avoids debt and should meet the financial emergencies from the savings or investments.